Good morning, students. Welcome back to your accountancy subject. As usual, we are back with our fourth chapter. Now, almost we are at the end part of your fourth chapter as we are in the sales book. Today, we shall cover with the sales book as well as sales return, and then we shall have any of the illustrations based on these two. And even in further sessions, we will be having some of the illustrations on the basis of purchase return and sales return combinedly, and then the balancing of that. See, one of the a few of the illustrations are there. In that we are going to see overall cash book. The cash book means sales book, purchase book, and then all the things are being carried forward to the ledger accounts. Till ledger account, what all things will be going, and balancing. Almost the heading comes over here, the balancing. Balancing means now ledger accounts also will be balanced, both the side, debtor side as well as credit side. That further in this week we are going to discuss the concepts. So at present today, as usually, we are going to take the sales book. See, in the last session, I think so, we have completed purchase and purchase return. Okay. Then after that, it comes to the sales. It is just like common as the purchase book itself. Whatever we have done about the purchase, the same thing we are going to repeat over here in the sales book. So almost it is almost the same, just few of the things will get changed. What are the things what we are going to change over here? Let's see. See, all credit sales of merchandise are recorded in the sales journal. Obviously, one thing, wherever the credit sales are there, we are not going to consider. Whatever the cash sales are there, that we are going to mention in the sales book. Only cash related transactions. Now, almost all credit sales of merchandise are recorded in sales journal. Journal it is we are going to pass for the credit sales. Then credit cash sales are recorded in the cash book. Obviously, whichever the cash transaction take place, it will be recorded in the cash book. Then the format of the sales journal is as similar as the purchase journal explained earlier. Obviously, the format, whatever the purchase and purchase return we had made in the previous early sessions, the same thing here we are going to see, almost the same. Then further, the source document for recording entries of the sales are or sales invoice or the bills issued by the firm for the customers. See, now whatever you are going to sell the goods, whichever the goods you are selling, you will be writing one bill, or we call it as a invoices. Now in general, if you take, after all, whenever you go to the any of the enterprises to purchase any of the goods, that time some enterprises maintain three Xerox the carbon copies of it. Means just like have you experienced or no, I don't know about it, but experience this. See, few of the enterprises, what they do, they maintain three invoices. Three invoices means how? One will be the original that the customer will be given, and two will be duplicates. Duplicates means Xerox. For what purpose? Even I will tell you. Some of the time for transportation, vehicles will be taken, whatever the tempos and all, lorries and all will be taken. For them, one bill has to be given. Just if whatever the goods are being carried from the seller to the purchaser, in between, if anyone checks, obviously they need to check. Why? Because in black, if you are selling it, even that for verification, the policemen will check it out if the supply is been legally sent or illegal. Many of the things will there. For that purpose, of the time, what they do, one bill will be given to the driver of the vehicle, and one will be kept to the enterprises. So totally this depends. Now in general terms, I am telling you all, or else maximumly if you purchase any of the thing, only two bills will be taken. Just like if you are purchasing any of the TV or any of the mobile phones, only two bills will be there. Just like few of them are giving directly in the computer printer been given, and some of them will maintain a invoice book as well. Invoice means bill book. Okay, in that they will be writing by hand and they will be giving you. One will be kept to them for the accounting, that is what audit purpose, and then it will be given for the customer the original bill for further services. So these are things are there as usually what we know, invoices or bills which are being given by the seller to the purchaser. Then further, the date of sales, invoice number, name of the customer and amount of the invoice are recorded on the sales journal. Now whatever the things are there, first thing, as we are going to open the sales book, what all things will be there on the invoice bill? First, the name of the dealer, the electronics, whatever, wherever you are going to purchase the goods. Then invoice numbers will be there, then date, time, and the customer's number, and the amount will be there specifically on the invoice bills. And at the end, the signatures of the sell person. Then further, other details of the sales transaction include the term of the payments are available on the invoices. Obviously, what amount you are going to pay, the amounts will be present over there. Then, in fact, two or more than two copies of the sales invoice are prepared by each sales. See, few of the time, as I told you, most probably two or more copies will be there. One will be the original, one will be the carbon bill, and one more. They may have three, means one original and two carbon copies. Now it may differ for what purpose it may be kept. As I told you, for the transportation also, in driver's hand we need to give it, for if any of the policemen stop him, or else if any of the person verifies it, there there should not have any of the crisis, no miss problems about them. So further, the book keeper make entries in the sales journal and one copy of the sales invoice. Then the format of the sales journal is, as usually, I will take out the format sales book as previously purchase book how it was, same now also we are having the sales book. Okay. Invoice number it is, yes. And one more, the same format as we are going to draw here, ledger folio and the amount in rupees. So as usually how we were having for the purchase book, same things are there. Name of the customer, then that is what even we can say account to be debited. See, almost the same as we have discussed about the purchase, the same bill it is, same things are there. And for this we are going to take one of the question and we are going to solve the illustration on this. Let's see what all things are there and proceed it. If you don't mind, everyone just copy down the question what I will be discussing now, and just on that basis only I will be passing the journal entries over here. Okay, copy down. Two water purifier, I'll write rough here, two water purifier at rupees 2100. The amount, see I will dictate here, just check it out. Two water purifiers at rupees 2100 each, and 5 buckets, and 5 buckets at rupees 130 each. To Mr. Raman Traders are sold to Mr. Raman Traders. Are sold to Mr. Raman Traders. Invoice number invoice number 178. Write down the question. Invoice number 178 dated April 6, 2014. 2014 or 17, whatever. Right? As usually, we have taken the information for the first transaction. See, invoice number is 178 and dated April 6, 2014. Close the bracket there. Take down the second as well. Second point, second transaction. 5 roadside containers. 5 roadside containers at rupees 5 roadside containers at rupees 4,200. At rupees 4,200 each. 2 Mr. Nutan Enterprises. Each to Mr. Nutan Enterprises. Invoice number 180. Invoice number is 180. Date is 9th April 2014. April 9, 2014. Are you all maintaining the question on a rough book? Everyone has to write
Yes,
that.
sir.
Everyone
Yes,
is maintaining?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then last one more adjustment is there, one more transaction. Let's see what it is. Tell me, take this question. 100 big buckets, 100 big buckets, 100 big buckets at rupees 850 each. At rupees 850 each to Raman Traders. To Raman Traders. Invoice number 209. Date is 28 April 2014. 28 April 2014. So this is what the transactions which are taken place on the sales. Now, as usually, how we are going to record this? You may be knowing that in purchase, how we have taken as usually the name of the customer. What is the name of the customer for the first transaction? 2 water purifiers at rupees 2,100 rupees each was sold. Miss, here I will be having small working notes over here.
Yes, sir.
2 purifiers into amount is 2,100. It will be 4,200.
100.
Then one more. In the first same 5 buckets at rupees 130. 5 into 130 rupees. Check it out. What will be the things for this?
Wait.
750,
650.
650 or 750?
650. 650.
Okay. What is the total of this now?
Hmm.
4,850?
Yes, sir. Correct it is.
The name of the customer,
It's Raman
that is Raman
Traders.
Traders, and as usually the amount is
850.
4,850. Done. So first transaction got over.
Yes,
Now
sir.
come to the next transaction. What is the next transaction? What it is been told over here? 5 containers. 5 into 4,200. Check it out. What will be the total of this? 21,000. 21,000. Is it 21,000?
21,000.
Yes, it is 21,000 only.
Yes, sir. 21. Yes, sir.
So the amount is 21,000.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
to whom it is been sold?
Sir, Newton Enterprises.
Enterprises.
Yes, sir.
Yes, even this got completed. Then what
Yes,
about
sir.
the last one? 850 into 100 means 85,000. Directly the amount is 85,000, right? 100. Even I
Yes,
will
sir.
do the work note here. See, those who are not speaking over here, those who are silent, please check it out the answers. Whatever we are doing, it is correct or no, you have to verify. So it is 85,000. So to whom's name it is? Raman Traders only.
Sir, Raman Traders.
So here we end up with this. Only small illustration was there. Just they have taken here to show you all how the sales book is been maintained. So this is what the sales book, as you have taken, the three transactions took place. First was the Raman traders to whom the goods were sold. The goods were two water purifiers and 5 buckets. Water
Yes, sir.
purifiers price is how much? 2,100 each, means both of them was 4,200. Then
Yes, sir.
buckets almost 650 rupees. So total amounts what we will be taking is
4,000.
4,850. Then coming to the next sales, what they did to the Nutan Enterprises, it was 5 containers. 5 containers into 4,200 each. 5,000. It totally it becomes 21,000.
Sir.
Then further, last one more time, the transaction took place on the 28th of April. They sold big 100 big buckets of 850 rupees, and totally it becomes 85,000. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so here we complete the small illustration which was totally based on which, on the sales book and the sales transaction which took place. Okay, now same with this, how we are going to make the posting for this? How we make the posting? Can we just do this? Try this. See, whenever
Yes.
you make, I will tell you in general, I am not going to get stick with the textbook. I will tell you in general. Now, when you make the sales, you are going to take as a debit entry or credit entry. What do you think?
Sir, debit entry.
Debit entry.
Uh, may I know the reason for that?
Sir, because the journal entry will be sales account debtor to Raman Traders account. That way it will be.
Obviously, yes, you are right. See, only both of you all are there, and what about the others? Yes? What about the others? Is it right one? See, whenever you make the sales, the one thing has to be remembered, when you make the sales, cash comes in. Remember the point. Cash is coming in means obviously the asset is increasing, then your debtor entry only will be there. Debit entry will be the first. So almost when you go for this ledger accounts, now almost how many? 3 ledger accounts you are going to open. 3?
Yes, sir.
No, only 2. Sorry, 2. Only 2 ledger accounts you are going to open, and one more you are going to show the sales account.
Yes,
2
sir.
ledger accounts with sales account. The total sales
Yes.
amount you are going to show. What will be the total of this? Check it out.
Sir, 1
The
lakh
10,850.
So this was the total, and this you are going to show it as a sundries. Sundries per sales book. Sales book what you have mentioned that you are going to write. So are you able to do this, the ledger accounts, or I should
Yes,
do
sir.
over here?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can do it.
What
Sir, we
about the
can.
others? Only 3 to 4 members will be speaking. What about others now?
Yes.
Let me take. I will take this. Why? Because some of them may not get it clearly understand. I will make the possible
Okay,
thing
sir.
so that, see, you are able to do, but from others I may not expect it. Why? Because their answers are not there. For that purpose, I need to do this. Just normally, I will do the rough work on a book. Now you will be maintaining the
ledger account, sir.
So which account we are going to remove first?
Sir, Raman Traders account.
So as usually, the things are correct. This
Yes,
is
Yes,
what
sir.
credit side
Yes,
and
sir.
this is what debtor side. So first one, to whom's account we are going to take? Raman.
Yes, sir.
Raman Traders. I am writing over here top. I think you are able to see or no, I don't know.
Yes,
Here
sir.
it
Yes,
is
sir. We
Raman
can see.
Traders account we are going to say, and which entries? Now sales if you have made, obviously for them also it will be debtor
Sir, that-
entry, and for us also will be debtor entry. Why? Because they are receiving the goods. When they are receiving the goods, obviously it will be the assets are increasing, right? So almost
Yes,
for
sir.
them also it will be the debtor entry only. So as usually first hour we will think about this year 2014 or 17 as per the books which you are having.
April 6th.
The April
April 6th
April 6th
and
sale,
April 20th.
Sales
sales. How much it was amount
Four-
first? 4,850.
4,850.
Okay, done. Then on April 28th,
28.
sales. Again it is a sales. 85,000,
85,000.
done. So one got completed. Directly you can say here, this gets
Yes,
end. Here we are not having any of the balancing of this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
the next one is Newton Enterprises.
Nutan.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Nutan Enterprises. So what are were the dates?
The
2014,
2014 April 1st.
Yes,
April
sir.
1st or 1st April
Hmm.
we took transaction.
Oh, sir,
April 9th.
9th it is, not
The
1st.
9th.
April 9th.
Sales is how
April
much here?
9th it is.
Sir,
The
21,000.
21,000.
So even this got ended.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now last is remaining sales account.
Sales account. Just check it out and tell me what entries you are going to write here.
Sir,
Whatever
April
Then credit side.
credit side. Year was 2014, April
30.
30.
So sunrise as per sales book.
sundries as per sales book.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sundries as per
Sales book.
sales book. Okay. So amount is 1 lakh
Lakh
10,850.
850. So even we got this completed. This much only
Yes,
the
sir.
entries are there. For this again we are going to have the sales return. See, is there any entry for the sales return or no? That we are going to make. See, again, as we saw the purchase and purchase book, we are going to see the sales return book as well. So whenever you go for the return of the goods, the format change here. Account to be debited we call, account here we are going to take account to be credited. That's it. Only normal that things are going to be changed. So remaining format will be almost the same over here. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any need to tell you all again the theoretical part?
No,
See,
sir.
just
No,
I will
sir.
highlight, but I will highlight over here.
No,
See,
sir.
I will highlight the things. After this, sales written book is a, see, journal is used to record returns of the goods by the customers to them on credit. See, on receipt, goods from the customers, a credit note is prepared like the debit note referred to earlier. See, as we have seen the issue of the note. Do you know the things in the previous session as we discussed about the sales return, the format was a debit note and credit note? Yes or no? The same thing even here we are going to have it. See, when you are going to make the debit note, what all things will be there, and when you are going to make the credit note, what all things will be there, that we are going to see. So almost, see, I will highlight here, this journal is used to record return of the goods by customer to them on credit, whatever the goods are being written on the credit basis. On receipt of goods from the customer, a credit note is prepared like the debit note referred to earlier, where when you receive the things, credit note will be prepared here. When you receive the goods from the customer, first we were making their debit note, here we are going to make here the first after receiving the goods is credit note. Almost we are having the format. Previously what we had discussed, debit note and credit note in the previous session, that is been told again here. That is what I, as I told you, purchase book, sales book is almost similar, but normal things get changed over here. What are that normal things? The same here. Okay. Then okay, further, the difference between credit note and the debit note is that former is prepaid by the seller and later is prepaid by the buyer. The first, the seller will make prepaid, and then the former, the purchaser will make prepaid. So almost here, see, as we know that previously we had done a credit note and debit note, I am not going to make all the format again over here. Just I need to highlight here. First, we were preparing their debit note, okay, but now here we are going to prepare here the credit note. Now who makes this? See, difference is, I will highlight one more time, please listen here. The difference between the credit note and the debit note is that former is prepared by the seller. Now first the credit note is prepared by the seller and then the debit note is prepared by the purchaser here. Okay, then further, like the debit note, the credit note is prepared by the prepared in duplicate and the contains details relating to the name of the customer, details of the merchandise received back the and the amount. See, almost when you are receiving the goods from the customer, you are going to make a credit note first, and in that what all things will be taken, what all details you have received the goods, for what purpose the things are received, it is damaged while transportation or defected product you have given, all the things will be mentioned as previously we have discussed. The same things are there. Each credit note is serially numbered and dated. The source document of recording entries of the sales return book is generally credit note. In sales book, we make here the credit note. Why? Because you are going to receive back the goods from the customer where you have sold the goods. So almost the same, we will have one of the format here, sales return book. Sales return book is there. Now again the same as usually what we had done. First you will be having the date, then invoice bill, then particular, then ledger folio, then the amount. As usually the account is. Then further date, then invoice bill, sorry, invoice number it is.
No, invoice number.
Not invoice number, credit number, sorry, credit
Yes, sir.
number. Credit note, as in the theory I told you, credit note it is.
Yes, sir.
Then almost name of the customer.
Customer.
And account to be credited.
Credit.
See here, first we saw it is debited, account to be credited now. Account to be credited, and as usually the amount.
Yes, sir.
So same things. So on this, let's see any of the entry is been there or no, and we'll proceed further. Okay. Let's check it out.
Yes, sir.
We have
Minus.
one of the returns over here. Let's see. Only one normal entry will take place, and that only will be taking forward down here. So what is the entry here?
Sir, Raman Traders.
Koina.
Yes.
Here, see, listen, I will read it out. Please check it out. What all things are there? Koina suppliers of you will find that 2 water purifiers were sold to Raman Traders. 2 water purifiers were sold over here for rupees
Yes.
2,100 each, out of which 1 water purifier was returned due to the manufacturing defect. Obviously, there
Yes.
was a manufacturing defect. For that purpose, it didn't work, so they are returning you 1 water purifier. Amount is 2,100. That's it. Then further, the credit number is been told 10/2014. That is what credit number is been told here. In this case, the sales return book will be prepared as usually. Now, what is the sales return? What is the name of the customer? Raman Traders.
Yes.
Raman
Traders.
Traders. Now, he is going to return you the goods, right?
Yes.
How much amounting? 2,100. Only 1 water purifier is got damaged. So almost
Yes.
only 1 entry we are going to have here. And
Yes, sir.
same again, after this 1 entry, we are going to make again the ledger posting for this. How you are going to make the posting for this? Only 2 accounts will get affected again here. 2 ledger accounts you are going to remove. What are the 2 ledger accounts?
Sir,
Raman
Raman Traders
Traders and
and
sales return. Raman Traders,
his account.
Raman Traders account. So as usually, I'll make here in the small size.
The entry will come at credit side.
Yes.
Raman Traders.
Okay. So normally this is what the account is been prepared.
Yes, sir.
First the date, then particular,
Yes, sir.
ledger folio, amount, date, particular, ledger folio,
Amount.
this is what credit side, and this is what debit
Debit
side. Okay, so done. So as usually, first the Raman Traders, only 1 entry takes place and almost it will be credited. The name of the customer is always credited here. So credit entry, what you are going to take? Sales return. Here we are not having any of the date. on which day they have returned the things and all, we are not having. So amount is 2100. Done. This transaction got ended.
Yes, sir.
Now one more entry which take place, which is that entry?
Sales return account, sir.
Sales return.
Yes, sir.
It is debited or credited now?
Sir, debited.
Why we are debiting this?
Sir, because it is sales return account debtor to Raman Traders account.
Very good. Only you are present every time to the class. What about others? I don't know really. So almost what is the amount? Same here. 2100 only will be the amount. So
Right, sir.
almost even this account get completed. Now after this we are having the problems on the purchase and purchase return, and then the sales and sales return. So almost it is a big and lengthy problems we are having here. So the same problems we will be having or discussing in the next session. In that you are going to open the purchase account and even the purchase return account, and then the ledger posting will be made. So in details, we in the further two classes we are going to discuss purchase and purchase return combinedly one problem, and sales and sales return combinedly one problem, and after that we are going to see the journal proper. After that we are almost going to end with the balancing. In the balancing you are going to get the big lengthy problem, nearly 20 to 25 ledger accounts you will be opening in that, and it will be balanced. Remember the things as usually. Here we are taken as a sales return, carry down, brought down, whatever the alternatives are there, that will be taking into consideration. So you will be waiting for the next session, and you will get in advance which question we are going to discuss in the next session in your group. Okay?
Yes,
Any of the
sir.
doubts,
sir.
if you are having, you can
No.
raise the doubts.
No, sir.
No, sir.